Hi, I'm Zach, Event Production and Technical Specialist in Event Management at Northeastern. Virtual events are a great way to connect the Husky community while protecting the pack. Our department is happy to support Zoom large meetings, webinars, and Microsoft Teams live events. But I'm here in East Village to help show you how our in-house team can take your next event to the next level. Let me show you what we've been working on. A lecture setup is crucial for us in higher education. Here, Sunny is giving a lecture on the best boba tea in Boston. If Sunny had an important graphic or video in his presentation, we can make that full screen. And if you want to see both Sunny and his content, we can stream him in crystal clear picture-in-picture. So Sunny, where is the best boba in Boston?
The best boba in Boston has to be Tito in Chinatown.
I'm not so sure I trust Sunny's interpretation of the data. Let's take a look at another set and hear from some of his peers. It's not an East Village event if you don't get to enjoy the view. Here we have Liam and Erica showing off an interview set on our north side wall. Variations on this setup are perfect for those fireside chats and dialogues between Northeastern's thought leaders and industry professionals. So Liam and Erica, where do you think the best boba in Boston is?
I would definitely have to say that the best boba in Boston is cha time.
I used to be a big believer in cha time, but I've recently transitioned to Kung Fu tea.
This brief stream is far from comprehensive of everything event management has to offer, but I hope it's inspired you to dream about hosting your next event. We're here to partner with you from inception to execution, and together we'll make something memorable. So reach out to event operations at northeastern.edu to start planning your next virtual event.